Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is your girl Shelly, the at-home chef, and today we are going to be making couscous and vegan fish with banana blossoms. Now this is just my second time doing it, so I pulled up a different recipe just to see how it would turn out. But the first time I made it was actually really good. So we're gonna get started with our vegan fish with the banana blossoms, and this is 2 cans of banana blossom that I already drained and rinsed. And then I have my wet batter, which consists of cornstarch, flour, some seasoning, and turmeric. And then we have our dry batter, which has flour, and you cannot forget your seaweed wrap. Okay guys, let's get ready to fry up our vegan fish. So first you start by covering your banana blossoms well in the dry batter. Don't worry, my hands are thoroughly washed. And dust off that flour, and then you get it dipped in. Don't worry if it's breaking a little. Get it dipped in the wet batter. Get it all over. All right. Then want to get in that oil. So now we're gonna get started on our couscous salad, and we're gonna start with 1.5 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and half a tablespoon of salt. And we're going to use 1.5 cup of couscous. Too much. Okay, so now we have our cooked couscous, and we're gonna start adding our ingredients. We'll start off by using our mint leaf, and we're gonna use 1 teaspoon. We use 2 teaspoons of basil. And I love lots of parsley, so we use about 3. Just put that all in there. That's about 3 tablespoons. As for what are these again? Olives, sorry. As for the olives, I love olives, so I kind of just put as much as I like. But that's about 2 tablespoons. Then we're gonna add our onions. So I'll start by adding just 2 tablespoons of onions, and in the end I will see if it needs some more. Our chopped tomatoes. Oh, sorry. A cup of tomato. And I love cucumbers, so we're gonna do 1.5 cup of cucumbers. Ooh, that looks looks beautiful already, guys. And our bell peppers. We're not gonna do a cup of those. We will do a 1/3 cup of bell peppers. Oh, maybe just a little more. Alright. And here I have a 1/2 of lemon, and I have some black pepper, and also the red, I needed some red wine. And so since why can't I remember the name of olives? Sorry guys. Since the olives already had red wine vinegar in there, I just decided to use that. We're gonna put almost all of that in there for taste. And we're gonna add a cup of garbanzo beans. We get that all mixed up and then tweak it to our liking. All right, look at that, guys. It is beautiful and done. Now I am going to taste it and see if I want to add any other ingredients. Nope, it doesn't need anything else. It's perfect. Let's get to plating this stuff. All right, guys, so we are done plating our Mediterranean couscous salad, our vegan fish with banana blossom, and now it's time to try it. Guys, that's good. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, you could put whatever dipping sauce you want with your banana blossoms. I just made a quick tartar sauce with mayo, relish, black pepper, whatever you like, and it's really good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Thank you for joining again. And don't forget to please like and subscribe and share this recipe with your friends. And don't keep it all to yourself. Bye.